Hello dear students, again Vinay is here to welcome you in the class of Physical Education and Sports Science. So by today onward, हम UPLT ग्रेड 2013 वाला पेपर है उसको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। और इस पेपर को भी हम जैसे हमने पिछला पेपर 6 पार्ट में किया था 2020 क्वेश्चंस के, इस पार्ट में भी हम लोग 2020 क्वेश्चंस में डिवाइड करेंगे इस पेपर को और धीमे धीमे करते हुए इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है। चलिए, दूसरी एक बात हो रही है कि आज से आपकी क्लासेस जो है वो शाम को 8 बजे होंगी। वैसे मॉर्निंग में क्लास होती थी, तो आज से मंडे टू फ्राइडे इस टाइम को हम लोग चेंज करेंगे कि मंडे टू फ्राइडे आपको क्लास रहेगी और वो शाम को 8 बजे होगी, ठीक है। और ये क्लासेस जो है वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हैं और इसका ई मटेरियल जो है वो आप एक्टिव कम्युनिटी ऑफ इंडिया टेलीग्राम चैनल से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। चलो तो फिर बिना टाइम वेस्ट करते हुए हम चलते हैं और शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास, ठीक है। तो द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडे इज दैट द लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी। ह्यूमन बॉडी में जो सबसे बड़ा ग्लैंड होता है वो कौन सा होता है? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, लिवर या फिर पैनक्रियास? तो आप सब लोग जानते होंगे, ये बड़ा इजी सा क्वेश्चन है कि जो सबसे बड़ा ग्लैंड होता है ह्यूमन बॉडी में वो कौन सा होता है आपका? वो होता है आपका लिवर, ठीक है। सबसे बड़ा ग्लैंड आपका होता है लिवर। तो इतनी बात आप समझ पाएंगे, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करते हैं। विच स्पोर्ट इन द चौधरी ट्रॉफी, चौधरी ट्रॉफी जो है वो इनमें से कौन से स्पोर्ट्स में दी जाती है? द चौधरी ट्रॉफी इज रिलेटेड टू द circumnavigation of earth by car, right? The next question is the winner of ICC World Cup 2015, right? Australia, New Zealand, Sri Lanka and India. So the winner of World Cup 2015 was Australia. So A will be the right answer for that. Okay, the question number 4 is that the tournament of how many types? Basically the tournament are of 4 types, right? I have already described one video related to tournaments. When was or by whom the YMCA Young Men Christian Association was established? It was established in 1920 by H.C. Buck, right? The next question is that Arjun Award is given to. So Arjun Award is especially given to the eminent performance at the national level, right? In healthy human being, the number of WBC will be white blood cell. WBC stand for, right? So basically the range of WBC for a healthy human being is 5,000 to 9,000 cubic per mm, or in the question they can give 4,500 to 11,000, right? So according to that your answer will be A, 5,000 to 9,000 cubic per mm, per cubic mm, right? The next question is the power body fighting against disease is known as. The power by which the body fight against the disease is known as by the name of immunity, right? So B will be the right answer. Question number 9, for building bones and teeth, which mineral is very important? So you all know that there is a big quantity of calcium is necessary to build up the bones and teeth as well. So calcium will be the right answer for that. In the flag of Olympic, number of rings. So you all know that this is a very common question. There is a 5 interlinked rim of various color in Olympic flag, right? So they having different color represent 2 different continents, right? So 5 will be the right answer. In India, Indian Women Club for Hockey was established in 1974, 1975, 1976 or 1977. So right answer for this question will be 1975. According to WHO definition of health, it's a very common question. Each and everyone know about it. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being and not merely absence of disease and infirmity. C will be the right answer. The question number 13, that Dronacharya Award is awarded for best player, best teacher, best soldier, best doctor. You know it very well that Dronacharya Award is given for the eminent performance of a coach. So the interchangeable word used here, the coach can be replaced with the word teacher. So B will be the right answer. We will go with the best teacher. Right? The next question, question number 14, trial and error method is given by. Trial and error method was given by Crow and Crow, Pavlov, E.L. Thorndike, or none of these. So right answer for this question will be E.L. Thorndike. Right? Question number 15, personal hygiene helps in developing attractive personality, developing emotional inner stability, both A and B, D, none of the above. So with the help of hygiene, we can make our personality attractive and make our emotional stability in a good condition. So B and A both are the correct one. We will go with the answer both A and B. Right? The question number 16, the main sensory organs are, this is a very common question, even that the 5th class student can solve it, that we have sensory organ, eyes, ear, nose, skin, right? So this will be the right answer. The question number 17 is that in basketball match start with. What is the process by which we can start the basketball match? Side pass, free throw, center pass, jump ball, right? So side pass and center ball, they are used in very nice. Center pass used in football and hockey. Free throw is also used in basketball, but the jump ball is the technique by which the basketball game starts. Question number 18, heredity is sum of total inborn inabilities for the inborn individual trait. Who gave the definition? So this definition was given by Woodworth, Ruth Blanket, Pattinson, or B.N. Jha. So B.N. Jha will be the right answer. Right? Next, the question number 19, the main function of food is formation of new cells and repair of damaged cells, formation of blood, or both A and B, and none of the above. You know it very well. The question, second option, formation of blood. You know it very well, formation of the blood takes place in bone marrow, that is inside to the bone. So food does not take directly important role to making the blood, but the first option, that is formation of new cell and repair of the damage, is the correct answer. We will go with that one. 20, on the basis of the function, in how many groups food is divided? Actually, food is divided into 3 groups. They are energy providing food, protective food, and bodybuilding food. Right? Good, very nice. So by today class, we have finished 20 questions. By coming 20 question, we will do continue in next class. ठीक है, तो आज के लिए नमस्ते, मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में. तब तक स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए और ढेर सारी पढ़ाई करते रहिए ताकि आपके एग्जामिनेशन में आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं करना.